Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make these very tiny, cute and little hat keychains. These are quilled hats and these are very easy to create. So let's start with procedure. For this we need some 3mm quilling strips, liquid glue, plier, keychain holder, some jump rings, quilling tool and one satin ribbon. First I am starting with making one tight coil. For this I am using 3mm strip and I am joining total 10 strips to make a big tight coil. My one strip's length is 45 cm. So the tight coil is done. Secure the end using glue like this. Now take your quilling mold and make a dome shape. Add glue inside this dome. Spread it using any brush and let it dry for some time. Now I am taking this cap of my glue bottle and the diameter of this bottle is 3/4 inches and I am wrapping one strip around this to make a ring. Now remove this ring from the bottle after adding glue and just start wrapping remaining strip around this. In the same way I will add 22 strips to make a big ring. So continue this process. It's done now. I am adding glue to secure this. Now just take a jump ring, open this ring, add a tweezer or any sharp thing inside this ring and insert the jump ring through this and secure it like this. Now I am adding some glue on this ring. Spread this using any brush and let it dry for some time. Now the dome is dry, so I am wrapping the bottom part of the dome with dark blue color 3mm strip. You can take any contrast color of your choice. Cut the remaining strip and I am adding this dome on the top of this ring. So just add glue and connect the dome. Let it dry for some time. Now I will show you how to make tiny roses. For this I am taking this 5mm pink color strip. Just make little coil and twist on back side. Again rotate it and twist on back side. Rotate this and continue this process until you get the desired size of the rose. So I am doing this approx for 6 to 7 times. Now remove your tool and open this so you will get a cute tiny rose. Secure the end. So rose is ready. Similarly I have created one more rose. Now I will add these roses to decorate the hat. Now take any satin ribbon. Here I am using blue color ribbon. Make a bow like this. Cut excess ribbon. Now I will add this bow on the side of the hat. So the hat is ready. Very pretty. Now just open this jump ring and connect the keychain holder with this. and secure it using plier. So the keychain is ready. Very easy and beautiful also. In the same way, I have created one green keychain, one purple keychain and one orange color keychain. So pretty. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.